Ready?
Yes. Are you too sleepy? There it is. Come here, baby. Here he comes. Come on, there he is. Crash and burn.
Where are you going now?
He's like right into the Christmas tree.
Into the tree, Brett. Uh-oh. Pull this on it, Brett.
It's like the curtain's in the way. You wanna go for a ride? You sure are. Come here.
Grab the wall. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Where to now, babe? No, no. Somebody's getting a little sleepy, so they're not walking as well as they usually do. Did you drop milk on our floor, Brett?
Did you say goodbye? Okay, I'm good.
To your floor?
Mm-hmm.
Let's run number 1.
He's not gonna do it.
Did you say goodbye? Okay, I'm good.
Okay, Brett. Are you done?
Lightning McQueen is my best friend. Know who my second best friend is?
You.
There he goes. Turn it. Turn it.
Oh, man. Don't be pulling those curtains.
There you go.
He's off. Crash and burn.
Showing off.
Woo!
Night, night. Night, night. See ya. Night, night.
You telling everybody bye-bye? Okay. Bye-bye, Dolly. You look like a little baby doll. You know that. Put that tongue in that mouth. Put that tongue back in that mouth. I'm tired. Brett, you want to play peekaboo? Where's Brett? Where's Brett? Oh, we found that spot. That's gross, Brett. That's gross. Hey, Brett. Do you want to play peekaboo? Where's Brett? Where's Brett? Peekaboo! Uh-oh, here, Dada. We gotta go search. We gotta see what's going on. Where is he? Where's Dada? Oh, look at your room. What a mess, Brett. You clean up your room. Good thing Daddy's building you a toy box, huh? You have a mess around here. thought I'd show how clean his room is.
Trash.
Okay, Brett, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.